All right, hey everybody, Corey here, and I want to show you this view here, and I want to talk to you about some stuff today. But check out this view, if you can see it. Oh no, there it is. Isn't that a crazy view? Yeah, so it's gonna white out on me like that. I'm actually up in Banff, Canada right now, in the Rocky Mountains, which is pretty sweet. But that's not why I want to talk to you today. Today, I actually want to talk to you about selling with a real estate agent versus selling with a company that buys houses, such as us, for instance, 6-day cash buyers. Now, there are pros and cons to each, and it depends on what kind of situation in life you are and what and how fast you want to sell your house. So if you are looking to sell your house quick and you just need to get the money fast, or you need to get cash quick, or you have a property that you just don't want to deal with anymore, oftentimes selling with a realtor can take time. And so what a real estate agent does is they come in and they'll like look around your home, they'll list it on the MLS, and then they'll need to do marketing for it. And then you'll need to have open houses, and people will be coming through your house and scheduling different times. Then you have to leave for those times. And that can be great if you're willing to wait that long, but it can also be very stressful and can take a lot of time, and it honestly can take anywhere from, like, let's say 2 months to 6 months to a year, depending on the market that you're in. So that's kind of one of the reasons why going with a company that buys houses quick, like us, for instance, 6-day cash buyers, can be a lot more suitable for your needs at the time, because we can actually end up closing quickly, and we pay all the fees and stuff like that. So there's just reasons for both sides, and this isn't a video to say that you need to hate real estate agents or you need to hate us. This is just more so just outlining the facts of the situation. So if you are looking to sell your home quick and you need cash quick, let's say there's a foreclosure coming up, or there's an illness in the family, or just something bad is happening, or you just really are fed up with your property, then going with a company like us that can move quick, and we don't need to wait for all the legal jargon. We can pay cash quick. That's far more beneficial to you than listing with a real estate agent. Now, with a real estate agent, you might get more money for your house. That's straight up how it is, but it will take longer to do, and then they'll also take a real estate commission and a cut from that. Usually we see around 10% of the sales price goes to closing costs and real estate commissions for both sides and stuff like that. So you have to factor that in too with your numbers, and if you're okay with that. Yeah, so that's kind of what I wanted to talk about in this video. There's this painting of this guy in the water here. If you are looking to sell your house, or if you want more great tips on things to do to improve your house to make more money when you sell it, you can click the subscribe button below and subscribe to our channel, 6-day cash buyers. We're always putting out new videos, and we're excited to get you in the loop so you know how to get the most cash for your house when it is you want to sell it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with my shaky camera here, and I hope to see you soon, and we'll talk to you on the other side. All right, see ya.